Dear students, today we are going to study about the Griffith experiments. On his experiments, Griffith performed experiment on mouse. He has infected mouse with the strain of Diplococcus pneumoniae to cause the pneumonia. So, in his experiment, he took two strains of the bacteria. Number one, the rough strain, that is non-virulent, and number second is a smooth strain, that is a virulent. Rough strain means that the non-virulent means that is the normal strain that do not cause the pneumonia, and the virulent stage smooth strain that cause the pneumonia in mouse, and due to that get die. So in his first experiment he has inserted the rough strain into the mouse. As you can see, there is a no impact and no effect of the R strain on the mouse, and after the injection of that R strain the mouse become live. Here you can see that the mouse lives because that strain was the non-virulent strain. In second steps, he took the virulent strain that was the poisonous, that caused the pneumonia in the mouse. In his experiment, he inserted virulent strain, means that was the poisonous, into the mouse. Then due to which the mouse got the pneumonia, and due to the pneumonia he got dies. Here you can see that the mouse dies. Okay. Now at the third stage, he took the heat killed smooth strains of the S strain, means virulent strain. He took the heat killed smooth strain, that was the virulent, but that was heat killed. As you know that due to the heating the microorganism get die. So in these steps he inject the that strain with the mouse, and now you can see that mouse lives. No death of the mouse occurs at this stage just due to the presence of the heat kill strains, because the bacteria were already died. In the fourth step, you can see that he took the rough strain, that was the normal, that was the non-poisonous, and heat kill smooth strain. ठीक है. In this process he mix both the strain and inject to the mice. In case the mouse dies, so now you are thinking that how it is possible that he took the R strain, the mouse was alive. He took the heat kill S strain, here also the mouse was live. But what actually happened in the fourth stage, that the mouse get dies. So in this process, in this stage, the R bacteria, the R strain bacteria that are the non-virulent, he took the effect of the S strain bacteria and turns into the poisonous. The live bacteria turn into the poisonous. The R normal bacteria took the effect of the S strain bacteria, and that become poisonous, and due to that poisonous effect the mouse dies here. Griffith, after conclusion of his result, Griffith gives his experiments name as a transformation. He shows that there is a transformation of the R strain bacteria into the S strain bacteria, and due to the R strain bacteria that turn into the S strain bacteria, the mouse dies. Okay. Now we stop here. Okay. Bye.